Alright, now I'm going to talk about how to take your created website and let's say you would like your kids to have the same look to their website. So for example, for our portfolios that we're creating for art, we're making sure that the rubric is on the page. We're also making sure that the layout of the page is the same, so that way when they go to add their artwork to it, they can, it all has kind of a similar look. So I'm going to show you how to make that template right now. So I have my page how I want it, and I want to publish this template to the web, so that way when my kids create a website, they can add this template. In order to do that, you're going to have to first save this page as a page template. So save as a page template under More, and it's going to ask you what is the name of your template, and you're going to name it WTHS Institute Day and hit save. And once it's done, you'll see it says template.wths Institute Day, but that's not the final step. So you're going to hit save, and now your changes have been saved. So now I'm going to go back all the way back to where it says manage site. So if you click once, you'll go back to manage site, and you're actually going to click on the word Institute Day 2013, or your main name of your page, and you're going to go back to that home page. So now you've just made it a template, but you haven't published it to the web for your kids. So in order to publish it to the web, you're going to click on More, and you're going to go to Manage Site. And what you'll see is, if you scroll down, you'll see like a site description, and then you'll see it says publish this site as a template. So first I need to put a site description, so I'm going to say videos for learning how to use Google Sites. And what I'd like to do is now I can publish this site as a template. It says, are you sure you want to navigate? Yes, we do. Okay, so then I'm going to actually name the template and name it WTHS. It's a lot of redundancy. Institute Day. I'm going to enter a description, so videos for videos to learn how to use Google Sites. So you do have to put a description in order for this to save as a template. I'm going to select a category. I'm going to select schools and education. And I don't know why it asked you twice, but that's okay. And then I'm going to hit submit. So now it's going to make Institute Day 2013 template. It's going to make it so my kids can now access it from anywhere. I'm going to hit submit, and it might take a couple minutes. Okay, so now it says this site is in the template gallery. So now the kids can now use my template in their Google site. So I'll show you how that will actually look to the students. So I'm actually going to clear out of this, and I'm going to go back to Google Sites. I'm just going to go back, main page here, back to my sites. You're just going to keep hitting the arrow until you get to this page again. So now you're going to pretend like you're a student, and you're going to hit the button that says create. So now pretend like you're the student, you're actually creating the site. Okay, so now you actually have to type in WTHS Institute Day once you go browse gallery for more. And you'll see it'll actually pop up as an option. So I'm going to select that option, and I'm going to preview the template. And your kids are going to click on use this template. And now your page that you started as a template will now become their page. So now they can take whatever you've built and now edit it and customize it, but then they still have your information that you want from the original template. So I'm going to use this template. Yes. So you can see it says WTHS Institute Day, and then they can actually name their site. So for us, we have them name their site their actual name. So they can name it their name, and then they actually have to create an actual link to their page. So I'm actually going to put the word art, or you could put WTHS art, just because sometimes what might happen is their location might already be taken. So you might have to kind of fix that in order for it to go through. So you might have to try a couple times in order for them to find a site location that is available. So I'm just going to type in the code, hit create. So it's creating my site. So it might take a couple seconds, but then when it's done, you'll see that now the student's page will look exactly like yours. So that way, again, it's consistent. And that's it.